Yes, welcome on this channel. So today we are going to fix this problem in case your WhatsApp account is banned or it displays this that this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. So in today's guide I will show you how to fix it. So it may happen to you due to a lot of reasons, and today I will focus on how to fix it. But make sure you are using the original WhatsApp, and then you'll be able to recover your account. So I just encourage you to stop using modded WhatsApps, but use the original WhatsApp in case you need your account to be restored. So this is how you're gonna do it. You will click on the button below where you see check review, but it will be there. It may be known, like it may not be that check review status, but it may be something else, but you click on it. So after you clicking there, it will take you to this page where you need to submit, or where you need to explain why they should restore your account. So in the box you enter these words, like try to explain why your account should be recovered. For me, I tell them that, here WhatsApp team, my number does not violate any of your rules because I use original WhatsApp. I follow all your rules. Kindly restore my account. As I told you at first, make sure you don't use modded WhatsApp apps. So after you entering something like that, don't use this one, but let this be a guide for you to write your own. So you try to explain to them, then you click on submit, and when you submit, they will say that your request has been submitted. Reviews typically take 24 hours, and they will notify you when the issue is solved. So you need to wait for approximately 24 hours when the WhatsApp team is reviewing and trying to restore your account. But you do this using the original WhatsApp version. After a review, you will see that your account has been restored. So from here you'll be able to again register your number, the one which was not allowed to use WhatsApp, and it will be restored, and all your chats will be visible on this phone or on that same device. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment for more useful content.